Loved, so we just got a package in from Poshmark. I have opened the box, but I haven't looked inside of it. So this just comes just in time as the mailing and the requirements for Poshmark is changing. We now can no longer use the priority mailing, and we will have to use our own mailing, but the prices have gone down, so that's good. Here's how they packed it. They put a cute little piece of paper over it. Okay, you guys, I have been having such a love affair with vintage. Oh wait, they did not. Y'all, look at this. They didn't show the wear over here on this side. Oh gosh. See, they didn't show, this was not reflected in the picture. Look at that. I thought it was smooth. They didn't show any of this stuff. This does make a difference in how it look at that. Oh gosh, look at this, y'all. This creasing, I'm gonna go back and look at the photos, but this creasing was not shown in there. This is smooth, this creasing isn't in here. Oh my gosh. But the bag overall is really pretty. It's just, this was not, they should have showed this in the picture. It's cute overall. I love the color. The color is why I was drawn to it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys another bag that I have by Dooney Bourke, and I kind of wanted to do a comparison. Now this is the Florentine Nano Satchel, and when I saw this bag, the colors reminded me of each other. And y'all, this is cute. Like, they showed this. Okay, now I'm gonna have to look at it and see what exactly I missed on here. I stuffed it. The inside is really pretty, but y'all, this does make a difference. They should have said like there is significant creasing on this side. They didn't, this is not displayed in the picture. They should have said like there's significant wear, because that makes a difference. Oh gosh. I'm not happy, you guys. I'm gonna have to contact the seller and just ask them, tell them I want to ship it back, because this wasn't listed in there, you know? Yeah, but overall it's really pretty. This is what it looks like on the shoulder. I think it's a really pretty bag, but like, see that? You guys let me know, would you keep this bag? Because look at it, that's so different. It has that webbing there. It's very much loved, and it is a vintage bag, but I wish they would have just, you know, I wish some pictures were shown of that, and this is not it. All right. Well, this was a fail. But that's the thing, you live and you